Thanks for watching D2 Wrenchworks and DIY, guys. In today's video, I have a Claris set of shifters I'm installing here, and a noisy little dog down here that needs attention. First thing you want to do if you're going to be installing shift cables, I went ahead and these are used ones I'm installing, so I'm going to emulate how it should be for you. Brake cables should be installed. I would undo the bar tape. Your shift cables on these Claris shifters are hidden inside of the bar tape. They're not exposed and come out the middle like normal older Shimano shifters. So get your bar tape off, get your shift cables out, go ahead and inspect the ends of them. You want to make sure, this is brand new housings I just cut obviously, but if you're doing it on a used bike, check your ends, check your cable housings, leave them out, get your cables ran through, and get your old ones out first and then run your new ones in. And then I like to run it through the housing. I just don't want to end up fraying the cable or bending it or something because there's a problem in the housing that you didn't see. So after you get all that done, you want to use your downshift here, go all the way down to the lowest gear. As you can see, I already have it there. That's going to be the smallest cog on your cassette there. And once you do that, we're going to roll the grips up. I already did it on this side, as you can see. It's very simple. You just grab it and roll them all the way up as high as you can get them. And you're going to see, if you're in the first gear, you should be able to see the shift head of the cable right there, and that's a good sign. And if not, you do need to put the grip back down, because even if you did try to hit the downshift, your grip is actually stopping the piece to let it shift down. So go ahead and make sure you did that first. I did, we're good. So we have the shifter, and if you look closely here with the grip up, you can see there's a little window. You want to take the cable tension and just pop that up and slowly move that out of the way with your fingers. It has a little stand, a little holder there to keep it in. And now you want to take the time, you want to push this through. And there you go. Okay, so now that we have the old one out, you want to get ready to run your new one in. So as we've seen before, the head is in the lower position right here. That's where the holder is to hold the cable, shift cable head. But what we're going to do is try to get the hole to go through straight to the other side. So you want to go up and straight through. And there we go. Now you can see it's coming right through where it should. So you pull that through and just very carefully make sure you catch the shift head in the bottom, right inside of its holder. You don't want to let it slip over and get jammed up in the top there. Now you can work on the other side. We're going to close the door over here for this. Try to get you a good view. You want to run the cable back through. I like to kind of just wrap it around the bar to hold it for you. Put the little nose piece in first here, and then push it flat. Now you can let the grip all the way down. Alright, so now that we did the right side, we're going to do the left here, and I've already got it started. It's pretty much the same exact process. Make sure it's downshifted, pull your grip up, get the door open, push the cable back through. Okay, so we got this one out. We're going to get the new cable in, and you're going to see just the same. The little cable holders down there at the bottom. And if you ever experience a little bit of stoppage when you go to push the cable through, like I was right there, just twist it, and it will help find its way through. And then again, just put the cable down at the bottom as you pull it through. See, it's in there nice and good. And that does it. All you gotta do is just run your housings all along back inside, put your bar tape back on, and you're done. Thanks for watching D2 Wrenchworks and DIY, guys. Please subscribe if you can. It really helps my small channel grow.